It's like delicious. Guys, try this out, huh? It came for Daisy and Buster and chocolate chip on top.
So what is it, Grace? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Your plate almost clean, huh?
He never eats a
You eating all the
whole
meat?
piece of chicken.
Really?
Look at him finding pieces now. He's looking for pieces of meat. First he's leaving pieces of meat. Like, I ain't touching that. That chicken right there.
Because since you didn't use flour, yeah,
I know,
the
but all them
crispy, whatever it
flavor-
is crispy in itself.
All them flavors was able to soak into the meat.
The meat.
Mm-hmm.
What do y'all say?
Thank you.
You like that though, girl? That's the bomb.
The fries is good. Thank you, Dad.
See how much
And
that
chocolate
like?
cake.
I stopped what I was doing to make sure that y'all had something delicious. Did you taste the fries?
Oh yeah,
How were the fries?
very
The
good.
texture and everything.
Fries
Yeah.
are alike.
Yeah, you take care of y'all, man. That's why I require y'all to